Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a water bottle in Shapr3D. I'm Max, and welcome to my channel. Let's swap paper for an iPad, your pen for an Apple Pencil, fire up Shapr3D, and let's get to it. First, I'm drawing a circle. This will be the base of the bottle. I'm setting the diameter to 7 centimeters. I tap the center point, it lights up blue, and pull it up. I'm going for a height of 15 centimeters. Then I add a construction plane at the top. This will come in handy later. I select the top surface again and extrude it another 2 centimeters, then slice it off. And now we've got our base, the body, and the cap. I select the main cylinder and hide the other parts to keep the workspace clean. Back to the bottom, I draw another circle and push it inward by 4 millimeters. I round off the edge to make it look cleaner and more refined. Now I pull up the top part by 14 millimeters. That's the neck of the bottle. At this point, I bring back the hidden parts and cut a hole into the cap. I round off the edges again, pull the top of the cap upward, give it some shape, and leave a flat ring around it. I rotate the construction plane 90 degrees to place it right in the middle. Time for the thread. I sketch the profile, clean up unnecessary lines, and place it at the starting point. Using revolve, I spin it around the center line to create a ring. Then, using the arrows, I raise one side, add another level, and now we've got a spiral. A few more edge fillets, and the thread is done. With Subtract, I carve a matching groove for the cap's thread. Oops, I overdid the fillets on the cap's bottom. I can't just select and undo it, so I go into the timeline, find the operation, and tweak it. Then I reapply the fillet and cut out the groove again. Next, I sketch the drinking hole. I check how much room I have at the top. I pull up the surface and shape the spout. I prefer not to sketch directly, so I use a construction plane again. Once I'm happy with the shape, I combine the pieces and round off the edges. Back to the cap. I connect the two sides of the spout and use offset edge to give it thickness. 2 millimeters is perfect. I only need half the sketch, so I delete the rest. Then I model the final shape and cut out the drinking hole. For clean edge rounding, the parts need to be joined. Nice, the hole is big enough for a proper gulp. To make the cap easy to grip, we need some texture. I select the flat top surface and draw a circle. I extrude it into a cylinder, round the bottom edge, then rotate and move the construction plane above the cap. That gives me a reference to center the pattern. I take the cylinder and use pattern to duplicate it all around the cap. Then I select all the copies and use subtract. Perfect, that's exactly what I wanted. Let's make the hinge. I rotate the plane 90 degrees again to cut across the middle, then sketch a rectangle and extrude it on both sides. Then I draw a circle, position it carefully, and extrude another cylinder, this time beyond the main body. And there's our hinge. Now we just need to place and shape it. Instead of a construction plane, I select an existing face to cut with, great for fitting the hinge. Once everything lines up, I combine the parts that need to stay together. Let's move on to the seal. It needs to be tight. I design a clean, swappable rubber ring. Now back to the bottle. I want to give it a more dynamic shape. I draw a larger circle at the base, extending beyond the bottle's outline. I select the center plane and place a point on the new circle. That's where I add a shape. I'm using an ellipse. Then I use sweep to create a solid body that I'll subtract from the bottle. Once that's done, I select the top and use shell to hollow out the walls. The last step is to extract the shapes of the lid and the seal. I use revolve, clean up the extras, and that's it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'll see you in the next one.